Good afternoon, children. First, let me welcome you to the online classes. So, yesterday we finished the lesson. It is the hobby, my hobby. Lesson number 17 is finished. Today, let us start one more the original lesson. That is, these people are also like us. These people are also like us. Lesson number 18. These people are also like us. Means these people are not different from us. They are also like us. So let me show you the people, those who are given in page number 144. You can see the old person he want to cross the road and no one is there to help him, and this girl sitting in a wheelchair and she wants someone to help her, and the girl cannot get up, cannot stand up or walk with her own, so they need help. So they are also like us, but they need help. So means we have to, for that purpose, what we have to do is we must develop sensitivity and an attitude to help the people with the special needs. We must make our mind so that, and also we must sensitive and attitude to help. We must make our mind to help the people, those who need special needs. Understood? We must help these people also because they are like us. Understood? They are also like us. We must not treat them differently. And let me show you here the person of Braille. Braille is called, you can see in the picture here, his name is Louis Braille. And how he is famous, let me tell you with this short story. Braille, know this. One day a boy of 3 years old was playing with the sharp tool used by his father. One day, when this Braille was of 3 years old, when he was 3 years old, he was playing with the sharp tool, which was very pointed one. He was playing with it, and because he was not knowing to use it for playing and all, so he was playing with it, and it was sharp tool, and which was used by his father. It was used by his father, and he was playing with that sharp tool, and the pointed tool pierced his eyes, and he lost his eyesight. So while playing, what happened? That sharp tool pierced his eyes. It went into his eyes, and after some days he lost his eyes. Means some major problem he has to face. Some major problems when that sharp tool it pierced his eyes. It made a harm to his eyes, and so he lost his eyesight. He was not able to see his eyes, and the boy had a keen interest in studies, but he was very interested in the studies. But he was thinking of different possibility to read and write. He was thinking of how to read differently, how to read and write. Not normally like others, differently, what different possibilities there to read and write. So finally he arrived at a way to read and write by touching and feeling. Lastly he came to conclusion that by touching and feeling, he would read and write. By touching the words, touching and feeling, by that method he can read and write. He came to this conclusion, and he developed and made it helpful for those who have been facing the problem of sight. So this was helpful. This method was helpful for those who are facing from the problem of sight. Those who cannot see may follow this method. So he is Louis Braille. He is none other than Louis Braille, and the letters he used are called as Braille script, and the method or the letters he used for this method was called a Braille script. So that is called as a Braille script or Braille language, for which to make understand for the people who are lost eyesight, for them he made the script called as a Braille script. So he was very different from others, and also came this famous by this introducing the script. So this is about the Braille script. Now so here are some signs are there done by the girl here. So Geeta is clever girl. She plays with her friends in the school, and she cannot hear and cannot speak also. You can see the Geeta here. She is clever girl. She plays with her friends in the school and cannot hear, cannot speak also. She cannot hear with her ears, cannot speak with her mouth, and all her friends understand Geeta's signs. Try to convey your friends what you want. So by using the signs. So she is doing the signs here, holding the hands and giving the flower and telling something message, and making the showing something by finger, and she is something eager, showing eagerness, and something telling, explaining something, and giving the flower and all. These all are the signs used by Geeta to our friends. So now two more pictures are given here. So that is sleeping and drinking water are the simple signs you can understand. So these are done by the people, those who cannot speak, cannot hear and all, cannot speak and all. So try to adjust with those people, those who cannot talk, cannot hear, understood? Cannot walk, cannot do any or by their own. So try to help those people, those who need special help, understood? So we must help them how much it is possible. So now let me give some questions on Puthraj Gawai. You can see the Puthraj Gawai here. Dr. Puthraj Gawai. He was famous for his art, literature, music and plays, and he also telling about this person, great person. He lost both his eyes when he was child. He lost both his eyes when he was child and became disciple of Panchakshari Gawai. He became the student of Panchakshari Gawai and became a renowned singer, famous singer, and he could play all musical instruments, though he cannot see, and he learned Braille script and wrote more than 64 books he has written, and more than 15,000 students have learned music under his tutelages, under his guidance, and he died in the year 2010, and his contribution to the society is invaluable. So this is about a simple story of Dr. Puthraj Gawai. Now you can take the questions on this great person in your classwork. So write the heading, these people are also like us, and write the heading, answer the following questions. First question, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. First one, why is Puthraj Gawai famous? Why is Dr. Puthraj Gawai Gavai Gawai famous? famous for art, was famous for art literature, for art literature, art literature, music and this, music and this. Next question. Whose disciple did he become? Did Puthraj Gawai become? Whose disciple did Dr. Puthraj Gawai? Whose disciple did Puthraj Gawai become? Answer. Dr. Puthraj Gawai became Dr. Puthraj Gawai became a disciple. Dr. Puthraj Gawai became a disciple of Panchakshari Gawai. Of Panchakshari Gawai. Dr. Puthraj Gawai became a disciple of Panchakshari Gawai. Third question. How many books has he written? How many books has he written? Has he written in Braille script? Answer. He has written more than 64 books. He has written more than 64 books in Braille script. Next question, fourth one. It is fourth question. How many students have learned? How many students have learned two cages under his guidance? How many students have learned music under his learned music? Have learned How many students have learned music? How many students have learned music under his guidance? Answer: more than 15,000 students. 15,000 students have learned music under his tutelage. More than 50,000 students have learned music under his tutelages. Next question. What is the name of the person? What is the name of person who developed What is the name of the person who developed Braille script? Braille, B-R-A-I-L-L, Braille script. What is the name of the person who developed Braille script? Answer: Louis Braille. Developed Braille script. So why is Dr. Prakash Gawai famous means? Dr. Prakash Gawai was famous for art, literature, music and plays. And whose disciple did Prakash Gawai become means? Dr. Prakash Gawai became a disciple of Panchakshari Gawai. How many books has he written in Braille script? He has written more than 64 books in Braille script. How many stones have learned music under his tutelage? More than 15,000 stones. More than 15,000 stones have learned music under his tutelage. What is the name of the person who developed Braille script? Louis Braille developed Braille script. So these are the few questions from the lesson. Prakash Gawai, or these people are also like us. So only few 5 questions are there. Try to write in your classwork neatly 2 times and make them perfect for your SAQ examination. So this completes the lesson number 18. So tomorrow let us come with the next lesson. Till then complete your work. Thank you.